Hey everyone, welcome back to Bit 9. If your MacBook Pro with the M1, M2, or M3 chip is feeling slower than usual, don't worry, you're not alone. Over time, your system can get bogged down by cache and cookies, but with just a few steps, you can clear these out and boost your Mac's performance. Let's dive right in and make your MacBook run like new again. First up, we'll clean out the cache files. Start by opening Finder, then click Go in the top menu. From the drop-down, select Computer. In the new window, navigate to Macintosh HD, then go to the Library folder and open Caches. Here, you'll see a bunch of files and folders. Don't worry, these are just temporary files your system doesn't need anymore. Now press Command+A to select everything, and drag it all to the trash. If you're prompted for a password, enter it to confirm. Some files might not be deleted because of permissions, and that's okay. Just leave those behind and move on. Next, let's optimize your startup process. Still in the Library folder, scroll down to find Startup Items. If you see any files in this folder, go ahead and delete them. They could be slowing your system down unnecessarily. A quick tip: make sure not to delete the Startup Items folder itself, only the files inside it. Deleting system folders can cause issues, so stick to cleaning out the contents. Now, let's find even more hidden junk. Close that window and head back to the Go menu in Finder. This time hold down the Option key to reveal the hidden library option. Click on it, then navigate to the Caches folder here. You'll discover even more temporary files. Select them all, drag them to the trash, and confirm the action when prompted. Finally, let's clear out all that junk for good. Right-click on the trash icon in your dock and select Empty Trash. This will permanently delete everything you've just moved there, freeing up valuable space on your Mac. Now let us remove unnecessary startup apps. A slow startup can be a real drag. When you turn on your Mac, it might automatically load apps that you're not even using, slowing down boot time. To fix this, open System Settings or System Preferences on older macOS versions. Then go to the General tab and click on Login Items and Extensions. Here you'll see a list of apps that launch at startup. Remove any unnecessary items by selecting them and clicking the minus sign. For example, if I want to remove the Telegram app, I'll select it and click the minus icon. Easy as that. Repeat this process for any apps you don't need at startup. This will streamline your startup process and save you time every time you turn on your Mac. And that's it. By clearing out cache, cookies, and unnecessary startup items, you've given your MacBook Pro with the M1, M2, or M3 chip a fresh start. Your system should feel faster, more responsive, and ready to tackle anything. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks to keep your devices running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.